Let me guess, you don't like your Instagram username anymore? Well, do not worry because I have a good news for you. You can change it anytime you want. Also be careful when you change your Instagram username because you can change it only 2 times in a 14 days period of time. And this is exactly what I'm going to show in this tutorial. So that being said, let's jump straight into this tutorial because in order to change your Instagram username, there are only few easy steps which have to be taken. Well, first you'll have to open your Instagram app, then reach your profile page by tapping on your profile icon from the bottom right corner side of the screen. Now in the top right corner you can locate 3 lines, tap on them, and here you can locate account center, and at the top you can see profiles. Inside here select the account you want to change the username of. In my case is the first one, so I'll press on it. Now press on username and feel free to edit your username as you like to. Also keep in mind that an Instagram username can only contain letters, numbers, underscores and periods. Once you finish editing your username, you can press on the done button here down below. If the username you want to get is taken, then the bar will be turned red, and if it's not taken, the bar will be turned green, and Instagram will let you change it anyway. I really do hope that this tutorial helped you out. Don't forget to drop a like and the comment will be much appreciated. Have a wonderful day.